So there are birds all around here, and I'm trying to get their attention. So I sprinkled some bird seed on the ground because put two bird feeders up here. And these birds are so wild, they don't even know. They don't know from bird feeders. So they're untouched. So, you know, any ideas on how to get birds to know that there's a bird feeder here? I decided to put, like I said, I did scatter some bird seed on the ground, but I decided to just put a dish with some seed to try and get their attention. Any ideas, guys? Because look at this. It's untouched. So I put some bird seed on the bottom there. And is this stuff here poison ivy? I hope not. Anyway, I'd love any tips to get the birds to come to the bird feeders. Thank you and have a beautiful, blessed day. I'd love some comments and some likes and some subscribers. Thanks, guys. Bye.